You can watch videos from YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and even TikTok on your Amazon Echo Show 5. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step process to watch videos on Amazon Echo Show 5. Before you start, keep in mind you must have a good internet connection or the videos could lag. Now to watch videos, swipe up from the top. You will get this menu. Go to videos. You will get Amazon Prime, Netflix, YouTube, Bing, TikTok, Tubi and Red Bull. You can watch any videos from here. We are using YouTube, so tap on it. And you will get YouTube. As you can see, we are already signed into our account. If you are not, you need to tap on the profile icon and sign in with your account so you can enjoy YouTube videos. The same way you can watch videos on Netflix, Amazon Prime or TikTok. So guys, this is the way you can easily watch videos on Amazon Echo Show 5. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.